Hi and welcome back to another CNFans unboxing. So in here we've got 4 items from CNFans. There's a t-shirt, a jumper, a Back to the Future figure, and what was the other item? There's something else I can't remember. Oh, it might be 2 t-shirts actually. A Spider-Man t-shirt was one of them. So for those who don't know what CNFans is, it's an agent buying site. Basically you find the products you want, you purchase them, an agent goes and buys them on your behalf. They then send you some photos, you can confirm you're happy with it. The item then gets weighed and you pay the exact postage of the item. Usually it takes between probably 10 to 20 days for the item to arrive to you. But you know you're going to get something really good for really cheap. If you've not used CNFans, I do have a referral link in the description of this video. If you sign up, you get yourself some coupons at the point of signing up. I also get some credits back, which enables me to be able to continue to buy these items. So what I'll do is we'll get the box open and I'll show you the first look at what we've got in the CNFans haul. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. There'll be 4 videos for this one. I'll do 1 video per item. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. So yeah, let's get this box undone. Okay, we're back in the box. And I don't want to do the white shirt. I want to do this one today. So this is the Lacoste Polo shirt, and the other one was like a Spider-Man one. But yeah, I want to do this one. So as I've said before, the item doesn't look like it's been packaged very neatly, and that's just because when CNFans purchase the item, they take you the QC photos. That's the one where you can look at them and approve or reject, and then in all honesty they just shove it back in the bag. I don't know if anyone's seen any other videos on YouTube of the CNFans warehouse, but it's massive and they are dealing with a large amount of parcels every day. So yeah, if it comes like that, do not worry. So let's get this out of the bag and we'll take a full look at this Lacoste polo shirt. Okay, we'll start with the front of the polo shirt, and you just got your sort of standard collar neck around. Got quite small sleeves. I don't know if that's how Lacoste do their normal t-shirts. To be fair, I've not had one before. But yeah, look, you can see the sleeves look really, really tiny. We've also got the crocodile there, which has been embroidered into the material. A little bit of excess cotton over on that side. And once again, like a really, really tiny sleeve. Now, there are a lot of creases in this shirt, and that's just because of where they've taken it out. I've done the QC photos and then just whacked it back in the bag. There's a few little blemishes from where there's like marks on the shirt, but all of that will come out. But yeah, look at how creased that is. To be fair, this is probably going to be one of them ones that actually I wash today, just so that it then becomes wearable. But that's the front of the t-shirt. Quite simple, quite plain, just with the blue with the crocodile, but there is the front of it. I'll flip it around now and show the reverse side too. Now, I said the front was plain, the reverse side is even plainer. Again, it is just the standard blue. So there's our collar line, and we do have a little join there for the collar. And once again, massive amounts of creases in the shirt. But for the price that you pay for these sort of items, I'm not overly bothered. And like I said, most people will wash them anyway before they wear them, and once you've washed it, you've hung them dry, then you know that you're going to have a decent looking shirt. I will try and leave the link in the description of the video to this exact item from CNFans. I think it only cost me about £8 or something, so quite a good price for the t-shirts. I did look online and they vary for this sort of style, anywhere from about 40 up to 140 in all honesty. So yeah, can't grumble at the price. But like I said, not a lot to show you on the reverse side, but that is it. We'll flip it inside out now and take a look at that. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and the collar line continues around, which is a very nice collar line. Stitching all looking good. The joins there, all looking fine. Under the arms is fine. And again, looking good. I just want someone to let me know in the comments, should that be how short these sleeves are? And I've just actually noticed that the Lacoste emblem is embroidered. I actually thought then it was heat pressed on, but as we get closer to it, you can see the stitching outlines. Moving to the bottom, we do have our washing instructions and the support information for the shirt. My recommendation with any of these sort of products is to wash them on a hand wash setting while they're inside out, and then when you come to dry them, just let them hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. You do not want your items to shrink or anything. Not saying that they will, but it's just good maintenance of the shirts to look after them. So yeah, always let them hang dry and wash them on a hand wash setting while inside out. But that's the first part of the inside done. Let's flip it around now and take a look at the other side. Okay, we've got the final part now, the inside of the shirt. We've got the Lacoste slim fit, and I've gone for 2XL. I've started doing that on some of these shirts because they do come up slightly smaller. So normally I only buy an XL, but I am doubling up on them now. And to be fair, that does seem to work. And it's also, even when you wash them, I mentioned not putting them in a tumble dryer, but they do seem to sometimes just come up a little bit smaller. And if there is a mishap and you wash them and they shrink a little bit, I don't want to have them riding high when I stretch up. So that's why now I double up on the XL size. Standard tags that come with it. It's got all the Lacoste marking and branding on it. And there's that one as well. But not a lot really to call out on the inside of this shirt because it is just really a plain polo t-shirt with the Lacoste emblem on there. But yeah, let me know in the comments if someone's got one. What do you think of this one? Does it look like the original? Because like I said, this is my first one. So yeah, drop me a comment. And there is our Lacoste Polo shirt from CNFans.com. If you've not used CNFans before, I do have a referral link in the description of this video. If you sign up for it, you get yourself some coupons, some money off, and it also helps me out and enables me to continue buying these products. I'll also leave a direct link, hopefully, to this item on the CNFans website. So if it is something you're interested in, then you'll be able to go and find it. Delivery timescales, you're looking between like 10 and 15 days for the item to arrive. It all just depends how they get on at customs, but they are quite clever in what they write on the box. All in all, really happy with this one. So yeah, for me, I'm not going to complain. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, this is from CNFans.com. All the information in the description of this video, along with a referral link, so you can get yourself some coupons. So make sure you check that out. I've got about 2 more coming up, I think, in this haul, this series, and I've got a fair few more already on the channel. So yeah, make sure you check those out. But there we have it. There is our Lacoste Polo shirt from CNFans. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.